KLU educates leaders and changemakers with a strong operations mindset. But what does this mean? Which tools will we provide you to allow you to excel in your future careers? What is different at KLU compared to other universities and business schools? On top of general subjects such as strategy, leadership and marketing, KLU will teach you how to optimize complex systems, make informed decisions, and understand and improve algorithms. In short, you will learn to streamline processes in various domains, including business, engineering, finance, and of course, logistics and supply chain management. I often hear that due to advances in artificial intelligence, one would no longer need analytical or operations skills. Just think, for example, of ChatGPT and its potential. Yet the question is if you want to be managed by AI or if you want to manage yourself and others with the support of AI. At KLU, we definitely train you for the latter. In all of our programs, we have this operations mindset, a mindset that allows you to maximize your efficiency and hence your decision-making ability. How? By learning how to systematically analyze and optimize the operations of organizations, sustainably and responsibly. Studying at KLU will strengthen both your strategic thinking and orientation to detail. Effective team leadership, communication skills, and time and resource management are further areas you will learn at KLU. You will become a highly adaptable and flexible leader with the skills current and future job markets strongly demand.